Jared.
There's that. You know that thing I just put on?
Yeah.
Tightening that.
Tightening it.
Don't want to fall off.
Now we're recording. We were paused when you thought we were recording. So how long's it been sitting in the garage?
2 years.
Not 2 years. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Waiting on parts. Waiting on parts. Story of our lives. What's that you say, Jared?
By noon, you want to be waiting on parts.
It's a good point. Fair enough. Fair enough.
That's supposed to be in that wheel hub. Yeah. Yeah, Drew. Yeah. Yeah, put the cotter pin in the wheel hub. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think I want to drive this truck. Huh? I don't think I want to drive it. I think all the parts are in it. Oh, yeah. You start falling apart going down the road.
Then it'll just be back in the garage. So make sure it's put together right. We don't want it back in the carport.
Start charging rent.
What's your fee, Jared? Do you
$100.
have a fee schedule?
$100 a day.
That's pretty reasonable.
My shop rate's $100 an hour.
Oh.
Milling this thing, you might as well just give me a title to it. What are you? Yeah, you're the tool man.
Do I look like a tool man?
Yeah.
What's he doing there, Jared?
Put the cotter pin in. Need a longer one.
Longer pen.
Yeah.
Do we have any?
No.
Make and do.
Sure, it's taking you guys an awful long time to get these cotter pins.
You put that one in.
Which one? You need me to put it in?
Yeah.
Why?
You just got volunteered. Come on down. You're a winner on The Price is Right.
Well, first I need
The
something.
price of speaking up is
First I need
getting
to turn
put on the
this.
spot. What do you need? Turn
I
it.
need a socket.
Drew, we need a socket. What do you got?
Have one that size.
He says we don't have one that
crescent
size.
wrench.
Crescent wrench. What you got?
Big one.
Well, we don't have.
Oh, you hold that wheel over there. You got it?
Yep.
I mean, you really gotta hold it.
You want me to hold that? Or not?
You're holding it?
Still turning.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Hold on.
You think you're getting it?
No, I ain't
No.
getting nothing.
Truck is in neutral, so now it's in park, I presume?
No.
No. What's
Save
it?
a This ain't a swap-o-matic.
So what's it in?
It's in
Tell
a
the rest
gear.
of us.
Gear. First gear.
You put in first gear. Okay.
It still ain't right, Drew.
Still spinning. What else you got?
You got that out there, Drew?
Got one out of where?
This cotter pin.
Yeah, got that one out of there. I didn't even turn it on. You'll be on bottom of the ABS.
Yeah, there you go. That probably will work.
You didn't want me holding that, did you?
No, I need a flat screwdriver.
Do you want me to hold the light?
No. You won't hold it in the right place.
I'll try. I'll do my best. There we go.
Alright, Drew. It'll hold for 1,000 miles.
Impact.
No, it's not been long enough.
Impact.
Yeah. There.
That's a fancy workshop we have.
Yeah.
Isn't it
Needs more
nice?
stuff in there.
What we need is a little less room, a little less light, and some more stuff.
And
What?
well, I was gonna say no heat, but we already got that.
And no heat. Yeah, we already got that. Well, it did warm up, so we have that going for us.
Were you struggling?
No.
He's not struggling.
Nope.
Is that helpful? If you want help, just ask. There's extra hands.
He's waiting for me to get in there. I'm just letting him struggle. See.
Well, that's how you learn. He'll get it. There we go.
Bad you aren't putting in on real fat wide.
Now
tires.
you're cooking with peanut oil. He probably has plans for upgrade on wheels and tires.
Mm-hmm.
What? Then you'll want a pry bar. So I heard what happened to the pry bar
What problem?
tonight.
Nothing. Tonight.
Nothing happened here to a pry bar tonight.
What was you talking
I thought
about?
one broke.
Oh, that was a couple
Oh,
weeks ago
that's
when
a-
we started on the
Oh, that's when we started on the truck. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is going to be on the road tonight.
Yeah.
That's what I'm hearing.
Well, hope so if everything works out right.
So why was it taken apart to start with?
Because of that ring and pinion I showed you.
There we go.
Because it was going down there and hitting the carrier,
Yeah.
and it was binding. It wouldn't let it when we put it in four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
So, hopefully, it's all better.
Hopefully this fixes it.
Yeah. No, we'll send it to a
But-
real mechanic.
Y'all do a good job. But it had been down before and tore apart before because of working on four-wheel drive,
It's
right?
a transfer case.
Transfer case.
And before that, it was the transmission.
Yeah. You know.
There's nothing wrong with the transmission.
No.
No.
Trace. Quattro. Cinco. Oh. Seis. Siete. Ocho. Okay. Look at him go.
He could be on the NASCAR.
Pit crew material right
Yep.
there. Woohoo! All right. How she's done. You guys go back on it. There we go.
Yeah, I torqued the lug nuts before I put those on there.
What?
Said I torqued the lug
Well,
nuts before I put those back.
There it is. Hey, Drew, shine the. Well, here, I can get this. I'm just gonna back like that a little bit. For him. She's gonna be on her own wheels here pretty soon.
Oh, Drew, grab that jacket.
Bodacious.
Yeah, that's the other.
That's the other truck.
Oh, that's the other truck. The silver 98 is bodacious.
Mm-hmm.
What's this one? Still just 44B? You need that other one out of there?
Easy,
Whoa.
Evening.
Hey, he knows what he's doing.
He's got a gas truck.
He does not. You want to put gas in it.
Alright.
Whoop. There we go.
First thing in the jack.
It's back on its wheels. You gonna drive it?
Yep,
Are you gonna ride in it?
I'm driving.
You better move your truck first.
We're gonna have to move the good truck.
They're all good trucks. They get you from A to B and they're paid for. This is as good as trucks get.
Tools out.
Leave the tools out. You never know when you're gonna need them again. So they went and did some front yard testing. Apparently it passed that. They went and did some road testing. So verdict,
A+ for the mechanics.
A+ for the mechanics, woohoo! So thumbs up.
That sounds
So
good.
she's back to daily driving
As of right now.
as of right now for however long we got it, huh?
Yep.
All right, good job, guys. Way to go. Drew, you glad to have your truck back on the road? Good deal.